To DJH Prestige Sports, where we've just acquired this lovely Mercedes GLA diesel. It's a lovely car, great specification, a lot of car for the money. It's got front park distance control, alloy wheels, lovely shiny metallic black, it really does stand out. It's got Continental tyres all the way around. It's got a nice rear diffuser at the back. Rear park distance control. Look at that, absolutely gleaming. Electric tailgate. Boot area is in lovely condition, not been messed about with too much there. We've got the full leather interior, black leather interior inside. Absolutely lovely condition. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors. Watch stitch piping on the leather. Nowhere on the bolster. It's low mileage, I've just started up for you. 66,713 miles. It's just going to be serviced, just going to be MOT'd. And, satellite navigation, reverse camera, heated seats, air conditioning, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, media pack, full Bluetooth connectivity. Really does have everything. It's lovely condition. At DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.